friends, I'm Prachi and today I'm going to talk about how you can release your loneliness. Many people out there who are watching my video, they suffer from loneliness. They have a lot of loneliness inside. They seek the support. They are not married, they are single and they are suffering because of that. There is a lot of insecurity. So today we are going to we are going to release out all the fear of loneliness that we have suppressed inside. What if we are lonely? What if we are single? That doesn't mean that there is any shame in that. We can still be very confident about our own self and we can still live our life to the fullest. So starting from the hand point, we are going to start tapping to release the loneliness inside. So go back in your childhood, close your eyes, go back in your childhood, just see where did you experience this loneliness for the first time, or in the recent time where you felt really lonely after a breakup, or you didn't had any good friends to share. Any situation, you can just close your eyes and just rate the intensity on the scale of 0 to 10. 0 means very low and 10 is maximum. So close your eyes, take a deep breath, just check the intensity, and now let's tap it out. So starting from your hand point, even though I feel really lonely, even though I feel I don't have anyone to share my feelings with, I don't have a partner, I don't have good friends, and it really sucks to be lonely. Still, I deeply and completely love and accept myself unconditionally. With this loneliness inside, in this loneliness state, it's completely okay. It's completely okay to be in this state. There is no problem. Even if I'm lonely till now, even if I'm single till now, it's okay. I allow myself to accept that lonely part inside me. It's okay to be lonely. There is no problem to be lonely. And even though I don't have good friends, and even though I don't have good partner, and even though I don't have parents who can understand me, I don't have siblings who can understand me, it's completely okay. I choose to understand myself. I choose to take care of myself. And I choose to love myself unconditionally. Even if I don't have anyone and I feel really lonely to do things alone, and that's really boring, that's really frustrating, and I can't take it anymore doing all the things alone, being lonely, don't have anyone to share, just doing the work and not being able to have someone in the life with whom I can share my feelings. Even though there is no one who can understand me, still it's okay. I choose to understand myself. I choose to understand myself. Because being lonely is not bad, is not shameful. I can reach out to anyone anytime. I can still make good friends. There are so many people on this planet Earth. There are billions of people on this planet Earth. And there are so many people who can still understand me. Maybe till now, I haven't got those people. But that's fine. That was my previous experience. That was my past experience. And I'm completely okay with that. There is no problem in that. I need to just shift my perception. But suppose somehow I allow myself to meet such people who resonate my frequency. I meet friends. I meet good people around me who just resonate with me and just share what I'm going through. That would be great. I just need to give another chance to myself. There are billions of people on this planet Earth. There must be someone who can resonate with my frequency, who can understand me, who can help me to grow, who can take care of me. I am no more lonely. I just need to shift my energy. I just need to feel connected. There are so many people around me, in my city, in my society, in my college, in my school, in my company. There are so many people. I can just need to let go this loneliness, come out of this loneliness trap, and just start enjoying life as it comes. I just need to flow with the life. I just need to invite people with whom I can just resonate and grow and share and have fun. I don't need this loneliness anymore, and I don't need to be in this lonely state. There are so many good things that I can do with my life. I have so many skills and talents and abilities which I can improvise, which I can explore and explore my own self through this and get that satisfaction in my life. There are so many things that I want to do. There are so many dreams and aspirations that I have, but I am not following that. I am just being lonely, which I am not supposed to. I just need to utilize this beautiful life, this time, this life this God has gifted me with doing something beautiful and productive and meeting people who can help me to do it. I resonate myself with people like me. I resonate myself with people like me who are at the same frequency, who can understand me, who can know what I'm going through, and I can have fun with them because life is fun. Life is happiness. I don't have any place for this loneliness anymore. I don't want to give this place to this loneliness anymore because my life is really, really beautiful. My life is really, really exciting. My life is really, really fun. So what? Right now I'm lonely. I will get good people. I'm asking the universe, and the universe is ready to help me. Thank you, universe, for giving me people who resonate with my frequency. Thank you, universe, for giving me people who resonate with my frequency. I resonate with all of those. I resonate with all of those. I resonate with all of those, and I invite them into my universe. They are already there in my universe. I invite all those people in my universe who resonate with my frequency. I just choose to get good friends. I allow the universe to give me good friends, to have fun, who can understand me, with whom I can share my feelings, my thoughts, my emotions, what I feel about my life. I just need to resonate with those people. The universe is awaiting to give me all these people around me. There are so many good people around me, and I'm no more lonely. My life is full of fun. My life is full of fun. My life is full of excitement. My life is full of love and excitement. I release myself from this loneliness game. All the way back from my past, from each and every cell of my body, I release this loneliness. I don't need this loneliness anymore. I don't need to be alone anymore. I just need to resonate with the people. I just need to ask the universe to connect me with those people just like me, who are on the same mission like me, who like doing the same work like me, who are having the same skills and talents and abilities and dreams that I have, who have the same aspirations and dreams like me. Thank you, universe. And I release myself from all this trap, or from all this crap, and from all this fear of loneliness. I release myself. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. I release myself completely from this loneliness trap. I don't need to be lonely anymore. Loneliness is just a game. It's just my created feeling. It's not at all there. I'm already connected with so many people. There are billions of people out there with whom I can connect, with whom I can laugh, with whom I can share, with whom I can eat, with whom I can have fun, go out, do the things that I really, really want to do, that really makes me feel excited. Life is full of fun. There are so many good people out there. I just need to come out of this, and I'm coming out of it. I'm coming out of this loneliness shit. I'm coming out of this loneliness trap. I release myself from it. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. And I'm releasing it now completely, once and for all, from the root cause, all the way back from my past till now. I'm releasing it now completely. So take a deep breath, inhale and exhale out. Hope this has really worked for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.